Have you heard of Claude? Because a lot of people haven't, but a lot of people have. It is taking the world by storm, especially in the business world. And I want us as educators to be on that first bandwagon. So I've opened up a summer program, and it is going to be a very serious professionals who want to take AI into the classroom and use it responsibly, but at the same time, use it as the tool that it was intended. Right? It's not going to take your job. It is going to assist you. We want to have this brainiac assistant, and that is exactly what Claude does. So this summer, there's going to be a cohort of professionals. We are going to start to accumulate some resources that we can all share. And at the same time, we're going to learn together. 6 modules are going to cover the basics of Claude. What kind of plan to buy? Do I even need a plan? Can I save my money? What is a model? I don't know what Haiku is versus Fable, and there are huge differences. So, in order to use Claude for what it was intended to be used for, we need to understand those basics. So, join me this summer. You will not regret it. I have a feeling if you do not do it, you will regret it because you don't want to be the one in the dark. It's not magic AI. This is a whole nother level. And I want us to be there. I want us to be taken seriously. We are educators, we are professionals, and we've been doing this for a long time. We know what we're doing. We are constantly at the whim of everyone else. New governor comes in, brand new system. We got to change everything. No, 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 no. We're going to use the data that we had from the previous year. We are going to do true data driven instruction using a customized plan with Claude. But you cannot do it with, or you can, but it will not be nearly as effective as if you are with a group of people who understand what we're trying to do, what our main goal is, and using those basics. We are going to work smarter. We are not going to work harder because we could not possibly work any harder, right? You get your state standards back and you're like, who are these kids? I know I taught this, right? We're going to make sure along the way that we are customizing our plans so that we can meet the needs of those students and get something accomplished so they can really show us at the end of the year what they truly understand. So join us. There's going to be a sign up in the description box. It is going to be a wait list, and we do have to limit it because it's going to be a new group of people, and we have to make sure we can manage all that. So I would ask that you sign up in the description. There's going to be a wait list there. Go to that website, put your name in. Once you do, it's locked in on the founder's price, the founding cohort's price. After that, it will go up. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to sell you a plan. I am here to offer a tool that is going to be priceless. And it truly is, not only in education, but in your entire life. Claude is involved in my entire life. We are a huge growing group of people. We are a huge, what's the word? I guess, as teachers, we are a huge block of the population. And if we understand Claude and we're using it to the best of our ability, using the right tools and using what we need to understand with it, and we're actually using it to better our the way we present information to students, the way we show information to parents, the way we offer plans to our administrators. All of those things, we are going to actually have the tool to use that will help us make that job much easier. But at the same time, way more meaningful. Easy is one thing, meaningful is a completely different thing. Right now, we're working very hard and we're not getting the results that we need, right? So let's work as a cohort. Again, this is going to be the founding cohort. So it's going to be a limited number because we can't manage but so much right out of the gate because we want to make sure it's a good one. But to the first people who sign up, they will get the founding price. We may have to put you on the next session if it gets too full. But for now, in the description box, put your name on the list that you will be in the waiting list and you can lock in your number. And then when the waiting list is no longer there, you'll know that that's going to be the next session. But come learn with us, come be part of something very special of very serious teachers who are professional, who know that there are tools out there that make our job easier. And let's go. Let's get it done. And let's show people that teachers are not playing around. We know we need an assistant. And guess what? We have the smartest assistant out there and our beck and call. And we are going to call. Believe me, we're going to call. So sign up in the description box and I look forward to seeing you. Thanks.